I'm Edina Sebastian from Vodafone New Zealand, and I look after the commissions team. I'm the commissions manager. So Vodafone is a telecommunications company. We have quite diverse product range. So I would say one of the challenges we have is just making sure that in terms of compensation plan for sales, we make sure that they drive the right performance and the right products. As well as our market is changing quite rapidly, so we need to be really flexible and really adaptable. Before Xactly, we used spreadsheets and Access databases, and it was very intense in terms of doing the processing, checking the data all the time, and just basically spending all our time, all the man effort to process rather than have real insights and actually brainstorm and think about what we can do better. The focus for us in the beginning was to make sure that all the data feeds that we have are integrated in the system, which was quite a big effort. We have about 6 or 7 data feeds that we're still using. The biggest benefit that we've seen is to have that automation and not needing to spend the time, especially at month's end, to just process. So the second phase for us was to use the real insight, especially what we get out of the analytics layout, use our dashboards and insights to drive the performance and make sure that the sales teams are incentivized to do what they're expected to do, aligned to product roadmap and company goals. The main impact for us is that our stakeholders are very confident that we do the right thing. So one of the things that our stakeholders asked us to do after implementation, actually about a year after implementation, is to set up specific quarterly and annual dashboards for them, talking through high performers, low performers, action plans on what we need to do, what we need to change. And annually, they also have a set of dashboards and information that they want us to provide, and we also come up with our own ideas of how we think we could help them. These annual dashboards are used for strategic planning and next year's planning, which is again very valuable for them. Since we implemented Xactly, our payment accuracy, which is one of our key metrics, has increased to 98%. We can trust that once we design a system, once we implement a scheme, it's going to be accurate and we don't need to check it all the time. And the third one is just being able to flexibly adapt very, very quickly, taking opportunities if we see high performers, using that best practice for other teams as well. But also if we see any issues, we can address it very, very quickly. So based on the performance and all the success that we had so far with Xactly, we would be interested in hearing what else is possible and what potentially could be next steps for us to integrate more the SPM platform.